Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm talking about some new dust guard I got off eBay for my all-new AirPods Pro actual charging case. All right, so it's the bottom one and the lid top one. Okay, I got it in gold color. They offer it in several colors like red, blue, white, etc. But I got mine and just regular yellow gold. Okay, so here it is right here. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead now and take a closer look at it. So here's the actual packaging, guys. It says for AirPods Pro dust proof film, lovely, 18 karat gold plated. Nice. See the top of the gold, bottom of the gold. Okay, some kind of barcode here. It says BX215845 underscore 02 A5H 04D403 ID 4250 made in China. Again, a big number. Chinese characters. AirPods Pro. Chinese characters. Okay. AirPods Pro is a registered trademark of Apple Inc. AirPods not included. Well, that's too bad for us. Okay, the side nothing. Bottom nothing. Other side nothing. Top nothing. They have a nice little bar here to help pull out this top piece. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. The back here for AirPods Pro dust guard. Bottom here for AirPods Pro dust proof film. Protect your AirPods Pro case from dust and metal residue that accumulates over time. And yep, I can attest to that. It happened on my AirPods version 1 case and AirPods version 2 case as well. I tried to clean them both up very well before selling them off to the new buyer, and I was unable to clean them. They went to the new buyer full of some kind of black dust on them. It was unable to come off for me. I tried everything possible. That's why today I'm installing this dust-proof film, because I've had that problem in the past, and I therefore no longer want to have that problem anymore. That's right, guys. Nice photo of the product installed. Lovely. It says here, Pods is a registered trademark of Apple Inc. AirPods not included. All right, guys. So there you have it. Let's go ahead now and unbox it. So to begin, pull the tab here, straight up and out. There we go. And there we go. It's open, guys. Lift this up, open the side tabs, and there's the contents. Okay. There's the actual item itself. Installation guide. Caution. Careful of the sharp edges, I guess, in this spot here. Okay, the back, nothing. Okay, so I guess this side here now is going to be the side where the actual hinge is, like the upper side. And this is the bottom side where the actual AirPods go. Okay, so let's go ahead now and see what else is in here. More goodies. Wonderful, guys. Aha. Dust absorbers. Guide sticker. Very nice and useful. What's in here next? Wipes. Step 1, step 2. Wet and dry. Just 2 of them, 1 each. Wonderful, guys. There you go. And anything else in here? Nope, it's empty. Well, that was it. Put it all back. That's how the box closes. Okay. Great. So just 2 wipes, 1 and 1. 1 of each kind. Dust absorber. Okay. And the actual product itself. And guys, it is actually gold. So it's the correct one we ordered. The correct color. We didn't get sent the wrong one. And it's a nice yellow gold. Exactly how I like it. I'm not a big fan of the rose gold. I prefer yellow gold. So, is it close to the image on the actual case itself? Let's see the back of it, guys. Yeah, it's pretty close. Not so far off. I guess the one in the actual box shows it to be a little more brown. This is more nice shiny gold, but I do prefer the nice shiny gold anyways, better. So now all that is left is to go ahead, get my AirPods Pro and install it.